And now we have an update on the case of Yahoo being sued for providing private information of account holders over to Chinese authorities. Yahoo has filed a motion to dismiss a lawsuit over the company's alleged role in the imprisonment of 2 Chinese dissidents, arguing U.S. courts have no jurisdiction over Chinese government actions against its own citizens. Let's take a look.
Yahoo Incorporated is accused of offering information to the Chinese authorities, and as a result, Dao Xi and Chinese network writer Xianning Wang were arrested and sentenced to 10 years in jail, where they suffered torture and inhumane treatment.
We have some alternatives here. They were much more involved, much more knowledgeable about what was happening than they are claiming to the court. They knew or should have known that the information being requested of them would result, if they gave it to China, in the arbitrary arrest and torture of these individuals. They knew that because they'd been put on notice by Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, and several other human rights groups that the government of China was engaged in a campaign of repression against journalists and human rights advocates.
Sklar also warned other international corporations that they better not follow the steps of Yahoo.
I think it'll be very important to establish that U.S. companies doing business in any country, especially a country like China where there are major human rights abuses, have to be careful that they cannot allow themselves to become complicit, to become co-partners with a foreign government that is committing major abuses.
Sklar also says that Yahoo is not bound just by the laws of host countries, but also the laws of the United States and standards of conduct that are placed upon them by the United States and by the international community.